Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to send money from PayPal to bank account in Bangladesh. So let's get into the video. Firstly, go to PayPal and log into your PayPal account. So once you've logged into your PayPal account and if you want to transfer money to a bank account, first you need to link that bank account with your PayPal. So to do that, hit on this add card or bank. So click on it and then now select link a bank account. So click on it and then now you have to just pop in the details of your bank account. So whatever your bank account in Bangladesh, so just pop that in. Once that's up, all you gotta do is hit on link your bank. So once you hit on link your bank, this will now link your bank account, this account to your PayPal. So once it's linked, so now you can simply send the balance from your PayPal balance to your bank account. So you can simply click on the send option or the withdraw option. You can just click on it and then select the bank account that you just linked, and that's pretty much it. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.